Okay, hello. So today's problem is 297 serialized and deserialized binary tree. Um, Actually, yeah, as I said last time, I saw the task maybe 1 year ago, a little bit less than 1 year ago. I didn't check the solution, so I'll read the problem statement and I'll try to follow the plan. Okay, so serialization. So here I do. I'll follow up the I follow the Leetcode approach where they do DFS and they do like I guess it's called pre-order traversal. When they take the root, save it, then take left element, save it, then take right element, save it. It's not even DFS, it's like level by level. It's more like BFS, right? I know. Yeah, something like this. Like it's more BFS. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, yes. And I keep like active, whatever node is not null in a queue. And in the end, also remove the null pointers. Okay. So tree node to serialize the tree node. My plan gonna be the following. I'm gonna run the BFS and BFS, and I'm gonna visit like parent. Uh, like take a node out of queue. I record uh, add I record like second step. Here the first step. Second step gonna be add left right to queue. Mm, to queue. And then also need to check for null. So if I take the node out of queue and there is a null value, I need to record, and then I don't need to like put like call the left to right for the null because it's gonna be exception. So I'm gonna skip adding left and right for the null element. And third item, I need to record not.val or null into output. So it's gonna be serialized. And in the end, I need to also walk um, and just truncate elements like null elements from the end, and kind of this one. It's gonna be for the serialize, and for the deserialize, I'm gonna do the following. I'm gonna probably convert so deserialize, let's say deserialize. So I need to convert string to, let's say, array list string, and then comma gonna be the denominator. Second, I need to go through the array iterate, and so I take the first element and I put it in the queue and call it like to the queue. Then what I'll do, create a tree node. Then I'll do the pop the queue, like pull the queue, and I take next two elements and populate left and right for the tree node. So okay, let's assume I have like the let's say we have this example. So I have 1, 2, 3, null, null, and 4, 5. So for this example, 1, 2, 3, null, null, 4, 5. So I first I'm gonna take first element, create tree node with value 1, and push it to the queue, and move the pointer. You're gonna have 1. Then I'm gonna pull the queue and get the next and create populate left and right tree nodes for the one that I just pulled, and I need to pre-push it back to the queue. 2 and 3 gonna be populated, and queue becomes 2, 3. Then I gonna pull 2, and then I gonna get also the next pointer. So pointer now at null. So I'm gonna get next like 2 elements from the uh, from the string, or like from the array of strings. I'm gonna have null, so I'm gonna just skip it, and I don't need to check the children for the null. And then I'm gonna again pull the 1, 3, and need to get the next two elements, and I'm gonna populate 3 with like 4 and 5, and I need to re-add it back to the queue, 4 and 5. Next I'm gonna pull 4, and the pointer gonna be pointing like to the end. So I'm gonna skip it, and I'm gonna pull 5, and also I'm gonna skip it. And I'm gonna have pointer greater than n or equal n, then skip. Yeah, this logic. So let me code it. Okay, so the time complexity for this algorithm. So I need to here to save it to the separate it with a comma, split it with comma. So the whatever it's gonna be like reading sequential, the number of characters I have in a string, but eventually I'm gonna have like n nodes, and the time complexity gonna like space complexity of n, because n nodes, and the time complexity gonna be also of n, because I need to populate queue, I need to read poll queue, and add it to 3 node, and like do that again, and it's like one pointer approach. And then for the encode, I need to run like BFS. It's again O of n. Time complexity for the n is number of nodes, and I can just then probably I can just have a string builder and like just add comma and then value and then comma then value, and for the first element just element. So string serialize. So what I'll do, the first element, string builder, b equals new string builder, and then or even to make it a little bit simpler, like I need to truncate it, or maybe just don't truncate it, just have nulls in the end. String builder, I don't want to deal with it. So queue 3 node queue equals new queue linked list, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna offer queue dot offer root, and then while if root, okay, queue dot offer root while queue is empty. Can I add null elements to the queue? I don't know. Java add null to queue. Okay, so queue while queue is not empty, I'm gonna do the following: queue dot poll, and then if node equals null, and then I'm gonna just do this then boolean is first equals true. I'm gonna add if is first, if not is first, I'm gonna do sb dot append comma, and then sb append null, and then here I can generalize it a little bit. If not equals null, I need to SB append null, and otherwise I need to else SB append a new string and then no.value. And then I need to check if not else, if not null. If not null, I need to go q.offer not.last and then not.right. And then in the end I want to SB to string return. This is for serialization. For deserialization, I want to do this, the following. I want to do array list, like array list string parts equal data that split with comma, and then tree node root equals new tree node, and say let's if data equals null, I'll return null. And then I need to have a pointer, int pointer equals 0, and then so initially I'm gonna have a, let's say, tree node, root equals new tree node, and then say if parts, let's say if parts with size equals 0, I'm gonna return null tree nodes root, and then value gonna be x. From string, I guess, yeah, there is this kind of method, and then parts pointer, and then q tree node q equals a new linked list, while q.offer root, and then pointer gonna be pointer plus plus, and then while q is empty, not is empty, I'm gonna do the following: q.poll tree node equals this one, and then if the string left equals parts pointer plus plus, and string right equals parts pointer plus plus, and then if left string equals null, if it's not equal null, I'm gonna have node.left equals new node, and then integer from string, and then here string left s, and then q.offer node.left, and then if not right string not equal again null, I'll do the following. The same, right? That's right. Um, yeah, and then I need to return root. Something like this. Let's check it. Okay, let's do this. Um, okay. String, okay. String parts. Mm-hmm. Mm, okay. Here I need to add. Okay, it's first. Uh, mm, hmm, hmm, hmm. Mm. Okay, so this one is if parts pointer equals null, not equal null, then root gonna be this one. Yeah, a few hiccups here and there. You can encode with the mask. That's creative. Cheat SMTG. What's cheat? Do you know cheat equal no? Okay. Mm. That's interesting task. This is interesting solution. So sign mask. We have a sign mask here in Serialize in code. I wonder what so 8-bit, yes. So the bits. What if null? What if null? How we gonna encode null values? Find mask, left mask, right mask. What's the maximum here? Description. Maximum value, maximum 1000. Oh, that's interesting. That's why I can do this trick. So log 1000 over log 2. Eight zero to the oh, let's explore that. 20 to decimal 32. What's builder? String builder, okay. Okay, it has a value first, and then there is sign mask, and there is also left and right mask. Okay, interesting. How fast is this gonna be working compared to my solution? Hmm. Yeah, it's pretty fast and memory efficient. Yeah, good job. Who created this algorithm? Yeah, so the idea is to store the numbers with a bit mask. So FF is, what's the FF maximum? It's 255, but um, I don't understand how they, with this 1, 2, 3, they, so the bits value and value, and there is offset. Whatever. Let me check what they have here. Okay, so I made a few mistakes when I was solving this problem, so guess fail status for this recording.